I just started here when I was young, and I learned pretty much everything there is to know about these things. I take pride in it. What I would tell a new employee is that I've never been laid off. There's always work, overtime, and the $500 attendance bonus. I'm proud to work at Lippmann because we make the best rock crushers. These crushers are so heavy duty because of the way we machine them, assemble them, and test them. That's what makes them the best. I hope to accomplish retiring here someday. I couldn't see myself working anywhere else.